Ever feel like YouTube's algorithm is a locked vault and only the big creators have the key? What if I told you there's a way to crack it, even if you're starting from zero? No fancy equipment, no secret connections, just strategy. And here's the kicker. Most creators won't tell you this because they're too busy guarding their secrets. But today, I'm handing you the blueprint. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to grow your channel, hit monetization, and start earning real money. Ready to decode YouTube? Let's go! Oh, and if you're thinking, but I don't even have a camera? Don't worry, this is a faceless channel strategy. So, no excuses. Now, before we dive into the first step, let me ask you this. What's the one thing every viral video has in common? It's not luck. It's not even talent. It's something far more powerful, and I'll reveal it in just a second. Step 1. The 3-second rule. Let's start with the 3-second rule. Did you know YouTube decides whether to push your video within the first 3 seconds? That's right. Your thumbnail and opening hook are make or break. But here's the secret. It's not just about flashy graphics or clickbait. It's about emotional resonance. Ask yourself, does your thumbnail scream, "You need to watch this"? Does your first 3 seconds deliver a punch of curiosity or value? If not, you're already losing the algorithm's attention. Think about it. When was the last time you clicked on a video just because the thumbnail looked meh? Exactly. So, here's your action step. Study your niche's top-performing videos. What emotions do their thumbnails evoke? Fear, excitement, curiosity? Mimic that energy, but make it your own. Transition? Now, once you've nailed the hook, the next step is even more critical, because if you mess this up, YouTube will bury your video faster than you can say, "RIP my views." Ready for the next secret? Step 2. The engagement loop? Welcome to the engagement loop. This is where most small creators fail. They think posting consistently is enough, but here's the truth. YouTube doesn't care how often you post. It cares how long people stay on your video. So, how do you keep them hooked? Simple. Create a loop of value. Every 30 seconds, give them a reason to stay. Drop a surprising fact, ask a question, or tease what's coming next. This keeps viewers engaged and tells YouTube, hey, this video is worth promoting. Think of it like a first date. If you're boring in the first 5 minutes, there's no second date. Same with YouTube. Keep it interesting, or the algorithm will ghost you. Transition, urgency. But here's the thing, engagement alone isn't enough. If you want to really crack the algorithm, you need to master the final step. And trust me, this one's a game changer. Step 3. The niche domination strategy. Let's talk about niche domination. You can't be everything to everyone. The key is to dominate a micro-niche. Why? Because YouTube rewards authority. If you're the go-to person for a specific topic, the algorithm will push your content to the right audience. For example, instead of fitness, focus on home workouts for busy professionals. Instead of cooking, try 5-minute vegan recipes. Niche down, and you'll stand out. Now, before we move to the final act, let me ask you this. What's stopping you from dominating your niche? Is it fear, doubt, or maybe you're just overcomplicating it? Stick around, because the last step will blow your mind. Act 3. The resolution. Emotional triggers, excitement plus inspiration. Step 4. The consistency hack. Here's the truth. Consistency isn't about posting every day, it's about showing up strategically. The algorithm loves predictability, but it also loves growth. So, here's the hack. Start with 1 video per week, but make it high quality. Focus on solving one problem for your audience. Over time, increase your output as you get better. Remember, it's not about quantity, it's about building trust with both your audience and the algorithm. Think about it. Would you rather have 10 mediocre videos or 1 video that goes viral? Exactly. Quality over quantity, always. Transition, urgency. But here's the kicker. Even if you do everything right, there's one final piece of the puzzle. And if you skip this, you'll leave money on the table. Step 5. The monetization mindset. Let's talk money. Monetization isn't just about hitting 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. It's about building a business. Start thinking like an entrepreneur. Use affiliate marketing, sell digital products, or offer services. Diversify your income streams so you're not relying solely on ad revenue. Because here's the reality. The faster you start treating your channel like a business, the faster you'll see real results. Now, before we wrap up, I want to leave you with one final thought, something that will change the way you see YouTube forever. Closing. The big reveal. The truth is, YouTube isn't just a platform. It's a mindset. It's about persistence, adaptability, and believing in your vision even when the numbers aren't on your side. The algorithm isn't your enemy, it's your ally. You just need to know how to work with it. So, take these steps, apply them, and watch your channel grow. And remember, every big YouTuber started where you are right now. The only difference? They took action. Will you? Call to action. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. And if you're ready to take your channel to the next level, drop a comment below with your niche. Let's build this together. See you in the next video.